Hi guys, welcome to this video, and you might see my tablet and iPhone here, and we're going to be bringing back the old photos and videos from this iPhone to my new Samsung Galaxy A8. Let's do it. So according to the video, first let's go to Samsung Galaxy tablet. Let me open it. The tablet opened by my face recognized actually, and here I'll show you. So here go to settings, and here go to accounts and backup. Here says bring data from old device. Click here, and here Samsung device. What should this tablet do? So first it was receive your data. Then you click on iPhone and iPad. Now it shows you that we need wire like this. So we need a Apple charger and this one. I have actually the iPhone charger, the Lightner, and I'll be plugging with the Samsung charger here. Boom. And let us bring this both together. First, I'm gonna be putting to the iPhone first, like this. Second, I'll be putting into my tablet. Boom, and it works. Now your phone we have activated. Let us go to data from IQ. Wait.